Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Guys, today I'm going to start with a point. Yeah, as you can see, I'm printing pencil and I'm here to show you how you can print it and you get the good results. Some of you guys, when you are making lines for pencil, you make it straight, and that is wrong. You should make it curve. You should make it when the line is curved. As you can see, my line is in curve form. Yeah. Nsuubira ngenda kukyogera kino mu Luganda. Guys, temusala straight lines zirina kubeera za curve. Ndowooza guys muntegeera bulungi abali mu Luganda. Kino nkizeemu mu Luganda because I want you all to understand. First ndowooza mulaba how I start my pencil. I start with a thread. Some of you guys, you think a thread can breaks the hair, but on my side I use it and the hair is okay. The client's hair is very okay with the thread I'm starting with. So if you don't want to start with a thread, it is okay, because some of the clients, they don't need it. But if your client she's not mad about it, you can start with it. But if your client doesn't want that thread, to start with a thread, it is better you start with a braid. Guys, I think you can see what I'm doing. I've made this video very slow so that you can see very clearly what I'm doing. And guys, let me leave you and watch this video very carefully. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell so that you get every notification about this channel. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Continue watching my videos. I will not disappoint you. On this channel, I'm here to teach you every style of the hair. You can comment any video you want me to do for you. I promise I will do it for you. So guys, let me leave you so that you can watch and enjoy this beautiful pencil video. guys, those you see how beautiful she is. The client looks very nice. This is the full pencil, how it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Continue subscribing, continue watching my videos, guys. Continue commenting any video you want me to do for you. I will not disappoint you. I think you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye.